I'm making my Chicago corn dog bites, which are classic juicy fried hot dogs with all the fixins of a Chicago-style wiener. I just make my batter, dip and fry, and then stack up all the toppings as high as the Sears Tower. To get started on my batter, I'll mix up the dry ingredients. I've got 3/4 of a cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds because a Chicago hot dog has gotta be on a poppy seed bun. A teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, which will help the batter get fluffy, and it'll be nice with that crisp fried shell, and some black pepper. All this to combine. And for my wet ingredients, I've got 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk and an egg, and a little hot sauce is nice. I'll whisk this up. And then I'll add the wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. Batter looks great. I'm ready to dip. I've got my little cocktail wieners here, and they're on long skewers to hold all of the toppings. And I'll just dip in the batter. And this is a nice thick coat of batter because you need a thick coat in Chicago. I'll gently lower it into my oil, which has been heating to 360 degrees, and I'll fry it for a few minutes until it's golden brown all over. And I'll keep on dipping. Oh, they're puffing up really nicely. My whole family loves hot dogs. We would go to the baseball games in Chicago just to eat the hot dogs. I know I would. Oh, poor cute. They're so puffy and round. I'll let these drain on a wire rack and then keep on frying these little puppies. My corn dogs are fried and it's time to garnish. I've got all the fixins of a Chicago corn dog. I'm gonna start with a pickle. I'll put a tomato on and then a sport pepper. They're quite spicy and briny, but they're really good. And I'll top it with a pearl onion. Look at all these veggies. It's basically a salad. I'm gonna finish with a sprinkle of celery salt, which adds more saltiness and also that delicious celery grassy flavor. Dun da da da! Look how cute! Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of these wieners party ready now. Okay, it's time to eat.